this light never blinks.
Not.
No, this one does not ever blink.
Too busy.
Too busy.
Mom, busy sana. Mom.
Mom what?
Busy sana. Mom.
Mom's busy when?
Mom. And O.
Mom, no, and O.
Mom, pen. Toy.
Her train.
Hey, Toy.
Hit Tony.
Hey, Doggo.
Oh my gosh, hit Tony and Michael? What are you talking about? That was 3 years ago, dude. Why are you thinking about hitting Tony and Michael now? And that was 3 years ago. My gosh.
Hey, Davy.
Hit Derby. Come on.
Hey, Dawn.
Now that was not nice.
Hey,
Oh,
Dawn.
look at that dog. That dog was going pee. That little dog was going
P. P.
pee. That was sick.
Nasty.
Oh, well, they probably let him do it every day, dude.
Nasty.
Last day of you seen it was today.
Doggo poop. P.
Ah, probably so. Probably so, friend. We probably take care of the business.
Cat. P. O. Class.
They probably do now because it's nice outside.
Doggo poop and snow.
I don't see no snow. So they poop on the grass.
Girls car. Girls car.
Grandma's car? Oh, that girl's car. Yeah, that girl's car, the wheel was broke. Yep. Oh, barbecues are working.
Forgot.
Well, they're going to keep it out there now. It's summertime.
Forgot.
Yes.
Tear out. Tear out. Tear out.
What about take it out?
Tear out.
Don't take it out when they're done.
Snow.
Yes.
Snow.
When the snow is done, buddy. Chickaboom, chickaboom, chickaboom.
Timmy's like a circle goo. Poop.
Oh, look at the robins. They're all getting worms.
Bye, cuz. Oh,
Yes. By Grandma's Odie Odie house. Grandma June's Odie Odie house when Grandma was a baby. All those birds, the robins, are getting worms. You know why? Because they're going to have babies soon. Because in May...
Eat baby suit.
What?
Well, eat baby suit.
You don't touch no one's baby suit. You sick.
Eat baby suit.
You don't eat bathing suits and you don't touch people's bathing suits.
Toss a boy.
Oh, if you do, you get in a lot of trouble. You don't touch nobody's bra, you don't touch no one's bathing suit. Right? Am I right?
Yes.
Alright. Didn't I tell you that too?
Go.
You don't touch the girls' bras and you don't touch the girls' bathing suits.
Costa.
Crystal would have got you. Crystal be like, stop, Will.
Hit Costa.
Yeah, you hit Crystal a couple times and she didn't like it.
Hit Dawn.
Talk about hitting Dawn.
Hit Dawn.
Don't talk about hitting Dawn.
Hit Dawn.
Yes, what about it?
Hit Dawn.
That was a long time ago.
Hit Dawn.
Get over it.
Hit Dawn.
Bye, hit Dawn. Silly.
Boo puppety.
Oh, sun's coming out. Yahoo! It's Twinkie the Kid.
By weed.
Yeah, rain's probably going right.
Boo puppety.
Bye, Potty Potty.
Doggo.
There'll probably be people out walking their dogs now because the sun's coming out. So you're going to see a lot of that stuff going on.
East be up. I guess.
I don't think Miss P is going in the grass today. Next. Anybody else? Anybody else you're going to dwell on today? Huh?
Talk.
That van has been there since Moses lost his shoes, which was a long time.
Gate.
It used to be behind the gate. Then they cleaned all this up right here. Then they moved it back to the other side.
Forgot.
Well, they didn't forget. They just don't have no reason to put it back over.
Guy, go home.
All the guys. Instead of saying guy, go home, say workers.
Workers, go home.
That's right. Good talking.
Bye.
All workers.
Bye.
By all workers. Even the ones that's doing the garages
Boo.
right there.
Boo, boo, boo.
Blue porta potty is still there.
Green.
Green's still there.
Peach. Peach.
Peach they took out.
Mm.
You know the peach had to go.
Peach.
You know why the peach left, right? The peach left because it was full. That's right.
House.
It was gross.
House.
What about the house?
House.
I told you they're going to build new houses here.
House.
Put that down if the sun's in your eyes.
House.
They're
House.
going to build probably 3 houses there.
By house.
Yes, by house.
Oh, the house.
By Odie house. Sun's very bright over here. Clouds are going away over here.
Phone, phone.
I have to see who it is. Honey, I don't know. Oh, it's Mary.
No, Nary.
Well, Mary was sleeping. She had took a nap earlier. So I think she might be awake now. Oh, that's sad.
Sadie.
Do what? Yeah, I know. We were going. We texted Robbie a couple times. Well, don't do that.
Phone, phone.
Phone's off. You hung up on Mary. Look, he's got 2 dogs.
Dogga.
Yeah.
Dogga.
Yeah. Bye, dogs.
No, not done.
Yes.
I guess.
In the grass. You can't hang up on people like that. It's not polite, Will.
Not good. I guess.
What if I was to turn your iPad off when you're recording? That was him hanging up on you. Look, Rob was saying how loud it was. So,
Dogga. Dogga.
right. So as we got closer, he didn't want to go.
Phone,
so we
stay
went on
home
a
one
way.
time. Stay home one
Yes,
time.
honey, the phone can stay home one time. Yeah. Yeah, we went there right after I talked to you. All right. What? No, we went to Jack's. See if they had everything fixed. They had everything fixed.
Bye, 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 bye.
So say, all right, Mary, call me after you leave getting robbed. Bye-bye.
Phone.
Yeah, you gotta stop, Will.
Stop. Walk, touch, phone.
Yes, you gotta stop touching the phone, okay?
Peace, water.
Password will have nothing to do with it.